Grass has been mown. Birds are chirping. Rain has stopped. It's a beautiful morning out here at Lake Street. And I got a new friend. Hey, kitty, kitty. The site of the former Lake Street School is right in front of me. Luther Hill Park is right down that road. It's already a pre-existing sidewalk linking up to Route 9. Perfect. This is a perfect angle to show what I'm talking about here. I just came out of the Luther Hill Park area and I'm back at the Lake Street campus here. Basically, what I'm proposing and what others have proposed is that this front area, which is currently grass, is legally protected as a town common. Now, I'm not talking about a park. There's a big difference. I'm talking about a true New England town common where the community can gather, there can be events, everything you'd expect out of West Brookfield, Leicester, East Brookfield, Charlton, anywhere else that has a town common. So everything that's grass now becomes a town common. We've got about 50 parking spots at the back end there that are directly adjacent to this area. The back area there that you see that's dirt, that's the other 20 plus acres of this site. That could all be kept for future town development, open space, whatever the town wants to do with it. The best thing is that we don't have to decide that now. We can protect this front space and then we can decide that back area later. So, and the ironic thing is that if this is protected as a town common and open space, it just makes whatever goes in behind it even better. I mean, there's like 1,000 uses for that land that would serve the town well over time. Looks like someone was here pulling dandelions. So this green space behind me represents about 2.5 acres of the site, or 10% of the total land area at Lake Street. And then check this out, I'm gonna turn around behind me here. Now look at this land behind me. There's over 22 acres behind me. 90% of the site remains behind me. Look how good this looks. They're up here grading. They'll probably put seed down pretty soon. You know, that flagpole may look beat up to some people, but this thing has plenty of life left in it. It is solid. We've got multiple outlets to public roads. 1, 2, 50 plus parking spots up here. Look at that accessibility. Parking right in front of the common on both sides. We talk about seniors a lot. Like, that is perfect. Easy access for vendors. You could have food trucks up here. 100 other things. All right, so the common area is behind me, and now I'm gonna walk over to Luther Hill Park, which is right in front of me now. I found this really interesting, established in 1888. So Spencer residents back then, you know, over 100 years ago, had the foresight to protect land for town residents. People here walking their dogs, see people utilizing the town beach all summer. It's the importance of preserving land. It doesn't go away. So presumably 100 years from now, the sign will still be here, or a version of it. We'll be linked up with another 26 acres right across the street here. There is so much potential here.